this is question 1. Find the largest positive integer such that this expression is less than 0 for all real number x. First of all, recall that x squared minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus half squared plus 3 over 4. This is positive. The reason why I recall this expression is because x squared minus x plus k minus 38 in the denominator. Suppose k is greater than or equal to 39, then x squared minus x plus k minus 38 will be greater than or equal to x squared minus x plus 1, and it is positive according to what we have just now. So if the denominator is positive and overall is negative, it will mean that k minus x minus 400 is negative. And for this is actually negative x squared plus kx minus 400, and it is negative. This inequality is possible because the graph will be something like this, and this is x-axis. Now note that there is no intersection between the curve and the x-axis. It will mean that the discriminant should be negative. The discriminant is k squared minus 4a and c. So this means that k squared less than 1600. So k squared less than 1600, k is in between negative 40 and 40. But because this is so, based on the condition, k is greater than or equal to 39, and combine these two, we will have k is in between 39 and 40. So what does it mean here? It means that if k is greater than or equal to 39 and this inequality is true, then k has to be in between 39 and 40. So the largest possible integer k in this case will be 39. For completeness, suppose k is less than 39. There may be some integer k less than 39 that make the equality holds. However, that particular k cannot be greater than 39 anymore. So, we confirm that 39 is the answer for question 1.